Welcome back to the channel where we explore the best website builders to help you create an amazing online presence. Today, we're checking out SITE123, a platform that prides itself on being the easiest way to build a website. What's great about SITE123? It's free. You can start building a website at no cost, with no credit card required. Premium plans. If you need more features, premium plans start at just $5.80 per month and include a free domain for the first year. Flexibility. Choose from 4 package plans: basic, advanced, professional, and gold, with various features to suit different needs. No hosting needed. All plans come with cloud hosting, ensuring your website is secure and always available. 14-day money-back guarantee. Try a premium plan risk-free. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced webmaster, SITE123 offers a user-friendly solution to get your website up and running quickly. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to start building your free website today. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experience with SITE123.